Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll show you 7 best easy caring air purifying indoor plants which you can have in your house. These plants will clean your air and beautify your house with minimal care. You just place them at right place and water them at regular interval and they'll keep on flourishing. The first one in this list is Aglaonema lipstick, commonly called Chinese evergreen. These plants have been grown as luck-bringing ornamental plants in Asia for centuries. Best air purifier Aglaonema plants is shown to clean out formaldehyde and benzene from the air in your home and more. This variety of Aglaonema is relatively easy to maintain in comparison to other varieties. This is fast growing plant and can survive in bright to medium light conditions. Related to watering this plant and other plants, there is one thumb rule. Always check top 2 inches soil before watering. If it's dry, then water your plant fully. Then wait for it to dry, then water again. You can follow this rule for all the plants which I am going to share in this video. The second plant we have in our list is Sansevieria. This plant is adaptable to wide range of growing conditions. They can survive low light levels, can also live without water for weeks. NASA research has shown that snake plants are able to help keep the air inside your home clean, removing toxins such as formaldehyde and benzene. In short, they are the perfect house plants. In case you don't have very bright corner in your house, then you can take non-variegated Sansevieria. As variegated Sansevieria will need more bright direct light to keep its variegation. The third plant we have in our list is Syngonium wendlandii. This plant can live in bright to medium light. Watering rule is same. Always check top 2 inches soil. If it's dry, then water your plant. Otherwise, wait. The main reason to choose this plant as your house plant is its beautiful foliage and at the same time, it's an air purifier. Syngonium wendlandii absorbs toxins from indoor space. Fourth plant I have in my list is rubber plants. I have burgundy and variegated rubber plant. Whether it's burgundy or variegated rubber trees will produce lots of oxygen more than any other plant. In fact, in addition to producing oxygen and eliminating air toxins, the rubber tree effectively removes mold spores and bacteria from the air. Rubber plants prefer bright indirect light that is not too hot. These plants require more water during their growing season in the summer. Watering rule is same. Always check top 2 inches soil. If it's dry, then water your plant. Give the rubber tree a well-draining soil. Next we have in the list is Chamaedorea or parlor palm. Parlor palm is one of the toughest indoor plants. Parlor palm is a great choice for an elegant yet easy to look after plant. Parlor palm is one of NASA's top air cleaning plants, able to remove pollutants such as formaldehyde, benzene and carbon monoxide from the air. When it comes to providing enough light, any shaded type room will suffice with indirect sunlight. Do not keep it in direct sunlight, otherwise leaves will get burned. Next we have in the list is Philodendron Hedraceum Brazil. Philodendron plants are also in the list of house plants that purify the air. According to NASA, philodendron plants are one of the most effective indoor plants to clean air. Philodendrons can remove harmful chemicals such as formaldehyde, benzene and carbon monoxide. These plants likes bright to medium light and well-draining potting. Last but not the least we have in our list is pothos, also known as money plant. Feng Shui principles regard money plant as one of the best plants to purify air polluted with synthetic chemicals from furniture and cleaning solutions. It energizes the home by filtering air and increasing oxygen inflow. You can place this plant in bright, medium, or low indirect light. This will survive. Keep checking its soil and water when soil gets dried. You can plant this in soil or water wherever you want. One last point I would like to share regarding soil for all these plants. Since all these plants like well draining soil, so please add 1 portion perlite in the potting soil to make it well draining soil. So this is all about these beautiful green buddies. Please share with me how do you like this video in the comment section. If you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.